Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we're at Silver Lake Shakedown in Michigan, event put on by the Raptor Junkies. In this video we're going to take you guys through the event. We're going to cover things like the check-in, the prizes, the swag bag, for performance brought to Gen 3. We got a lot to cover. It's a 3-day event. Friday is the day where everybody checks in and we do a nice little ride along. Saturday and Sunday is all trails. We're only going to be here for the Saturday part, but it's the same thing, so to get you guys an idea of what kind of event the Raptor Junkies do and how fun it is and how they do it here in Michigan. They definitely do it a little bit different than we do there in SoCal. Now first off, we didn't drive to this event. We actually flew out to Chicago.
You ready?
Yeah. This is actually Ethan's second time on a plane, so it was kind of exciting for him. Now, since we don't like to be a burden and be passenger, I make an awful passenger, we ended up renting a Jeep for the weekend. And then we drove up to Silver Lake from there. Right at Checkin, we got a bunch of trucks showing up, and I'm going to show you guys what you get with these kind of events. Here's part of the check-in process. We got a bunch of prizes for everybody, a bunch of raffles. Got some cool kits too, like a nice radios. Got a dinner event area. And of course, we got the Raptor. We spent a lot of time with the Gen 3, so make sure you guys go check out our first look video. There really is too much to cover. We can't really cover it here, but we looked under the hood with the suspension changes and also compared the 37 with the 35-inch version to see what's really different between the two. Make sure you guys go check out that video. We spent a lot of time under that truck. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of the swag bag to show you the kind of stuff you get at these events. Let's open it up. It's a map, ATP, the sticker, Raptor Junkies, water. Here, these are all your meal cards for the different meals of the event. And it comes with hand sanitizer, snack.
These are mine. I'm stealing these.
You can't have my meat sticks, Ethan.
You want to bet?
Tag 8. Hey, we can air down now.
Well, we can't air out. Some stickers. A lot of
more and more stickers.
Oh, we got Tic Tacs.
Ooh, you're gonna need those.
You're gonna need
I think you should take one right now.
Okay.
Much better.
Some chopsticks.
Roush pin.
But my favorite.
What is that? Is that the 10 mil?
Yeah.
So that right there, guys, is the typical stuff you normally get in these events. Some of them do t-shirts. We ended up getting these cool hats. There's still all that Roush gear and so much other stuff they're going to be giving away too. If you guys looking to join an event, make sure you guys take a look at the Raptor Junkies, guys, next time you're looking for one in your area. They're throughout the states, guys. They don't just do SoCal, Pacific Northwest, Michigan. They do everywhere, right? So make sure you guys go check out their website for upcoming events.
You're going to need this.
Okay, thanks. After dinner is when we had the main drivers meeting. Here's where we got some team introductions as to who our leads and chases are. But the most important part of the drivers meeting is really to set the ground rules so that everybody is safe for the event. But these guys spent a lot of time, put a lot of emphasis on the ground rules. And one of the sponsors, Off-Road Alliance, was also there with gear. There's a lot of newbies that come to these events, and Off-Road Alliance came prepared with radios, recovery gear, lights, you name it. Anything you think you would need for this type of event, including like whips and lights, they had, and they were ready to help folks get them installed. Now, we finally capped off the night by doing a sunset cruise to a local lighthouse.
Look at that. I just noticed it too. We weren't even going to stop or anything.
Where's your skid plate? What's going on? Oh shit!
What the?
What skid plate?
Yeah, it's up there.
You're lucky you don't have an intercooler.
I know. I know. There's absolutely nothing back there.
That's crazy, dude.
Big concave. Yeah.
Raptor Junkies!
That'll grease it up.
Sound good.
No, it's good. It's a feature. It's just somewhere. It's
bonus.
different left to right. That's good.
Yeah, it's supposed to sing to you.
Yeah.
I knew you parked over an anthill.
Yeah, this bumper picks up a bit of dirt. Apparently.
Yeah, you gonna leave any of the Silver Lake dunes behind, man?
Oh, there's still plenty in the wheels. I felt that on the way over here from the track. No, I started doing it. I was like, oh, I don't want to leave a bunch of dirt there, so I'm gonna try and spread that out when I leave. But
Now, I know if you guys are wondering, they actually broke us up into 3 groups, so we were actually in small groups. We never got on top of each other, and the progress was really good. After all the runs were done, then we went ahead and did the raffle. They gave away a lot of cool prizes, as well as auctioned off those Fox Shocks for a charity, so it was really cool prizes there. Alright guys, so that is the end of the first day of trails with the Raptor Junkies here in Silver Lake Shakedown, and it was a lot of fun. Big thank you to James for putting this event together.
Bushmaster Productions.
Search him out for any events up here in the Midwest. Is this the Midwest? No.
This is the Midwest.
And then big thank you to Kimry. She's basically the heart and soul of Raptor Junkies. She's the one that really helps us get all these events going on, helps us arrange sponsors and all that stuff. So big thank you to Kimry for inviting us and letting us come out and enjoy this really cool event. And also thank you to the 4 Performance guys for letting us get such cool access to that truck, man. The Gen3s, getting to look at all 3 of them, seeing them on the trails, that was a blast. Make sure you guys look at their website. There's a lot of events happening on the Junkie side. And as soon as I get my truck rolling in a much better fashion, we're going to be doing some SoCal events there.
Follow us on Facebook. We have a owners only group, or we have a fan base group. We'd love to see you there.
And I know you guys got some Baja trips coming up, so I know a lot of you guys are interested in those. Make sure you guys look it up. I know we've been trying to say we're going to do a Baja video. We will, and I highly recommend going with a group like the Raptor Junkies if you're going out there. All right, anything else you guys want to add?
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you guys for having us.
You and the other junkies really helped make this event great. As a matter of fact, it was so great that Ford said they want to come back.
Yeah, that's really, really cool.
And they're going to bring friends.
It's even better. And that's another big thank you you to everybody that made this event possible. There's a lot of people behind the scenes. There's a whole crew of guys here that volunteered their time just to help make this event a success. It was a fun event. It was very different for us from what we're used to in SoCal, but it was so much fun. We had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you guys, all of our Midwest fans, our East Coast fans, start signing up for these guys. You won't regret it. You're gonna have a freaking awesome time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.